Hello again, guys. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection, doing another video on our 1966 Porsche 912. I got the car up on a lift. I wanted to go over some of the things that we did to the car and show you some of the new components of the suspension that we put in the car. I also want you to look at the work order so you can see which of these parts we decided to keep and which ones we decided to replace. There are lots of them, so we wanted to keep some original shocks. We did not want to upgrade the suspension to new 911 style. We wanted to keep this original. Also, I wanted to show you guys the floorboards are all original in the car. There are no patch welds in here. It's all correct. New bushings. Everything is tight. I drove this car this morning. I went on a bit of a spirited drive. I was very impressed with the cornering. It is just fantastic. I know the light is a little bit of a pain, but I think you'll get the idea. The other side of this too. There you have it, folks. I'll do more if you need it. And we're looking at a tomorrow finish, so prepare for a good one. Thanks again.